Whether you're out camping, hiking, or simply need a handy tool for everyday tasks, a high-quality folding pocket knife can be a game-changer. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best folding pocket knives available in the market today. These knives have been carefully selected based on their durability, functionality, and overall performance. So, let's dive in and explore these exceptional folding pocket knives that are sure to meet your needs. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Schrade SC110 is a folding pocket knife that is designed to withstand tough conditions. This knife is part of the Schrade Boneyard series, designed for outdoor survival and crafted with precision using 9x18 MoV high-carbon stainless steel. First and foremost, the Schrade boasts a robust and reliable build, featuring a karambit-style blade made from a US 10 steel. The blade measures 3.2 inches, providing an excellent balance between cutting capability and practicality for everyday carry. The overall length of the knife is 7.8 inches, making it compact enough for easy portability. Weighing in at just 6.3 ounces, the SC110 strikes a balance between durability and weight. The handle of the SC110 is constructed from G10, a high-pressure fiberglass laminate known for its durability and resistance to moisture. When it comes to security, the Schrade SC110 doesn't disappoint. It features a liner lock mechanism, ensuring that the blade stays securely in place during use. The Gerber Propel Auto is a folding pocket knife that is specifically designed for military and law enforcement personnel. This knife combines ruggedness and reliability to deliver exceptional performance in the most demanding situations. The Gerber Propel Auto features a partially serrated 3.5-inch stainless steel blade that is known for its sharpness and durability. The blade can be easily deployed with one hand, thanks to the assisted opening mechanism. The knife also incorporates a plunge lock and a safety lock to ensure secure handling. With its durable build and exceptional functionality, the Gerber Propel Auto is a top choice for those who need a dependable folding pocket knife. Now, let's delve into the Benchmade Bailout 537, a folding pocket knife designed to fly under the radar while delivering optimal strength and ultralight performance. The Benchmade Bailout 537 is all about efficiency, with its slim and ultralight design offering users an optimal strength-to-weight ratio. The black grivery handles not only contribute to its discreet appearance but also ensure a secure and comfortable grip, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a low-profile EDC. One of the standout features of the Bailout is its Tanto blade, crafted from CPM 3V super tough tool steel. This steel is renowned for its exceptional strength, toughness, and edge retention, making it an ideal choice for those who demand peak performance from their tools. Despite its slim profile, the Bailout doesn't compromise on durability. The combination of grivery handles, a CPM 3V blade, and an aluminium pommel creates a robust package that cuts weight without sacrificing strength. Taking the second spot on our list is the Spyderco Parata, an innovative folding knife designed by Paul Alexander. The Parata is a testament to Spyderco's commitment to delivering knives that excel in both form and function. At the heart of the Spyderco Parata is its VG10 stainless steel blade, a hallmark of quality in the knife world. The VG10 steel used in the Parata's blade not only provides excellent edge retention but also offers corrosion resistance, ensuring the knife remains sharp and reliable even in challenging environments. The Spyderco Parata features a contoured G10 handle that is both comfortable and secure in hand. What sets this knife apart is Spyderco's patented stop-lock mechanism, a strong and user-friendly locking system that releases by lifting a spring-loaded toggle. The Spyderco Parata is a true ambidextrous companion. The wide thumb hole, stop-lock mechanism, and reversible wire pocket clip make it accessible and convenient for both left and right-handed users. This thoughtful design allows for a versatile and user-friendly experience, catering to a wide range of preferences. Topping our list is the CRKTM16, a folding pocket knife that combines superior craftsmanship with outstanding performance. Designed by renowned knife designer Kit Carson, the CRKTM16 is a true testament to quality and functionality. This knife features a 3.5-inch stainless steel blade that is known for its exceptional sharpness and edge retention. The blade can be easily deployed using the dual thumb studs, allowing for quick and efficient one-handed operation. The CRKTM16 also incorporates a patented auto-lock safety system, which automatically locks the blade in place for added security. With its ergonomic design and exceptional performance, the CRKTM16 is the ultimate folding pocket knife. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 best folding pocket knives in 2024. Whether you're into camping, survival, or just need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, these knives have you covered. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite or if there's a knife you think should have made the list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content.